Welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm going to transform our guest room and get it ready for our first guest that's coming to stay with us, and that is Grant's mom. As you can see here behind me, I have a little bit of an idea of what I want to do. I've hung one of our paintings and I put the desk here because when this isn't being used as a guest room, I want the boys to be able to use it for studying arts and crafts and maybe playing games or setting up a specific project. But I don't know if you can hear in here, it's very, very echoey. So my first goal is we are going to try to do away with some of that echo by hanging some stuff in here and just getting it all set up. So this is what I'm starting with. All of these games we had just thrown in this closet, so I need to find a place for these and get everything organized. My goal is to empty this closet because we will be taking half of this closet for the bathroom we're going to renovate. The bed is covered in plastic because we just fixed up this wall and there was a lot of sanding going on, so I need to put the plug covers back on and then just clean all this stuff up. And we're gonna try to do away with this echo that's in here. What I should do is hang the curtain rod and the curtain and see how that looks. I'm using the curtains that I had previously in my kitchen at our last place, and I think they'll look perfect in here.
About halfway?
That maybe? Yeah.
Yeah.
Number?
Yes.
Got home from work and his height makes it way easier for him to do stuff. Squirrel. There he goes, up the tree. Whoa. So far we have hung the curtains and moved the bed. I like it centered on the window. And now I'm trying to decide what to do with the rest of the room. So this is what the room looks like so far. I like the bed centered on the window, and I'm going to go get a little side table for right here and hang some art. I'm gonna hang some art or something on that wall, and I'm thinking a little rug under here. Because I like the colors of it and it goes with everything in here. It's just not big enough. So my plan is to get something very similar because I definitely like it, but that's going to go through the whole entire floor in here. I absolutely love pillows, and these go so well with this comforter I found. And one of the reasons why I like a lot of pillows on this bed is because you can stack them up and make it more like a little couch. I decided to change the piece of art that was on this wall. The one that I had before was quite wild and really bold, and I decided that it was just conflicting with all the other colors that are in here. So I went with this, and it's more of a mellow design. There's a few colors, but it goes well with all the other colors in here, so I decided on this piece. I did both of these and I already had them, so it was easy just to switch them around and see what worked best. I also decided to add a plant, and I already had some plants in the house, so I just picked one out that would work well with this Luckily enough, I had one in a basket that has brown and gray, so it just went perfectly with everything else. I also added a mirror just standing up in the closet so our guest can actually see when she's getting ready. I also added some hangers just so there's a place for her to put her clothes. We were unsuccessful at the thrift store to find a side table and a stand-up lamp to add some more light in here. And unfortunately, I could not find anything that I really liked at Home Goods either. So we're going without a rug and a side table for now because I don't want to go out and rush and buy something that I'm going to later regret and have to donate. So I'd rather take my time, think about what I really want for this room, and then get something that I truly love and know I will want for a long time. Our guest has come and gone, but today I finally found a rug for this room. So I just wanted to show one last view of how it finally looks complete. Click right here to see how we decluttered everything in our lives, a year of decluttering. And if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button to join our simple living community. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.